Big chart is. Okay, hello students. In previous class we started a last exercise in first chapter. Already I given homework for you. Okay, that one completed means. Okay, if anybody not completed means follow the class. Completed one, check once. I have to check the result once again. What is the question here? Third question. Page number 32. Page number 32. Class 8. Page number 32. In this page, already we started third one. In the third one, you have to find x plus y. Very important problem it is. Divided by x minus y if x equal to, second question I am discussing. Already we completed first question. I given homework for you. X equal to 1 by 4, comma y equal to 3 by 2. This is the question they given. We have to take this condition x plus y divided by x minus y. Condition we have to take the statement. In that what we want to do, x equal to 1 by 4 we have to replace, y equal to 3 by 2 replace. X equal to 1 by 4 you have to replace and y equal to 3 by 2 you have to replace. Now we will replace here. What is given x equal to 1 by 4, y equal to 3 by 2. X equal to 1 by 4, y equal to 3 by 2. What is the given statement? X plus y divided by x minus y. X plus y divided by x minus y. Replace values. Okay, replace values. Both are positive only. Okay, we can use directly. What is our x here? 1 by 4 plus what is y value here? 3 by 2 divided by x minus y. 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay, do this addition. Okay, this is the addition. No need to remove the brackets here. This is the addition. This is the subtraction. Okay, now we can take LCM addition or cross multiplication. Okay, now I want to do cross multiplication. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 4. 1 into 2 plus 3 into 4 by 4 into 2. Otherwise you can use the LCM. Okay, you can use LCM also. This model same. What are the getting here? Same only we will get because x y value same only here. 1 into 2 minus 3 into 4, 4 into 2. No need to confuse. What are the getting here? Same only we will get. 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 3 into 4, 3 into 4. But what is the difference here? Here we are getting plus, here we are getting minus. According to the sign, we have to solve. Now simplify this one. 2 into 1, 2, 3 4 jans, 12, 4 2 jans, 8 divided by 2 into 2, 2, 3 into 4, 12, 4 2 jans, 8. This is 8. Now we will simplify that. 12 plus 2 how much? 12 plus 2, 14. 14 by 8 divided by, there is no minus. So that's why I directly remove the bracket. Okay. 12 minus, otherwise you can bracket here. 12 minus 2, minus 10. Minus 10 by 8. Now remove the bracket. Before bracket, inside bracket. Same sign means plus only. 14 by 8 divided by minus 10 by 8. Minus 10 by 8. Now write the reciprocal. Otherwise directly you can cancel denominators. Here denominator, here denominator. The other also you can cancel. Otherwise you can write the reciprocal. I will write the reciprocal here. 8. Now I will convert division into multiplication. 14 by 8 multiplying. Reverse this fraction. This is converted to multiplication. Write the reciprocal. Reciprocal means reverse the fraction. 8 by minus 10. 8 by minus 10. 8 will cancel. What is the remaining here? 14 by minus 10. This one also cancel. 2 5 years to 7 years. 2 day by cancel. 2 5 years to 7 years. That means we will get 7 by 5. Denominator in result denominator should not be minus. Denominator should not be minus. So we have to take numerator as a minus. Minus 7 by 5 is the answer. Very easy question. If anybody completed, check once. Otherwise, we have to follow this question. We will go for the next question. Fourth question. What is the fourth question here? Divide the sum of minus 3 by 5 divide the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 by the product and minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. And we have to calculate two parts. Sum of solution, this is a sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. Okay, this is one part. Next we have product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, first we have to calculate sum and product. Later we can do the division. Side by side we can do. Then we can easily understand. Sum of means minus 13 by 5 plus 12 by 7. Now cross multiply this one. Sum we are doing. Cross multiplication minus 13 into 7 plus 12 into 3 by 5 into 7. In previous question also we learned cross multiplication. Okay. 7 13 is how much? 91. 12 3 is 36 by 5 7 is 35. By subtracting 91 minus 36, how much is 5? This will give borrow. This will be 55. 55 by 35. Which one? Minus 55. 91 minus 36. 91 minus 36 means 11 minus 6, 5. 1 number will reduce here 8 minus 3, 5. 55 by 35. Now we will do the multiplication also. Product minus 13 by 7 multiply minus 1 by 2. That means we have to multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Minus 13 into minus 1. This is with this one and denominator with denominator. Denominator with denominator. 7 into 2. That means minus into minus plus 13 by 14. Plus 13 by 14. Now add per problem. What is the problem we given? Divide how to do? Okay, divide. What we have to divide? Sum divide. Sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 divided by product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, if I am directly also you can do. No problem with that one. Okay. Now replace the values. Sum of these two how much is? Minus 15 by sum minus 15 by 35 divided by product how much is 13 by 14. 13 by 14. 13 by 14. So again now reverse this term to convert it into multiplication. Why we have to convert it to multiplication? Whenever denominator for a fraction, we can't do the calculation. We have to convert it to the multiplication. Okay, so do the division. 55 by 35 multiply symbol. Reverse this fraction 14 by 13. Now minus 55 14 by 35 into 13. Now cancel this one. 7 2 is 14. 7 5 is 35. 5 1 is 5 11 is. What is the remaining table? 11. Immediate calculation possible. 13 table will cancel. 11 no. 13 table will cancel 2 no. What are the remaining? Not only 100. Minus 11 into 2 by 1 into 30. That means minus 22. 11 2 is 22 by 31 is 13. This is our answer. Otherwise, you can do directly like this. The same. We have to follow the steps. First, calculate the sum. Later, calculate the product. Divide each one. We will get the answer. Fifth question. Fifth question. What is the fifth question here again? If okay, what is the question here? If 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of a same number by 36. Okay, I take here one number. We don't know that number. Let number equal to x. Let number equal to x. 2 by 5 of a number. Then 2 by 5 of a number. 2 by 5 of a number means 2 by 5 into x. 2 by 5 into x. That equal how much? 2x by 5. 2x by 5. In this number 2 by 5 part I want to take. 2 by 5 out of a number. 2 by 5 into x. 2x by 5. Later we have to take 1 by 7 of a number. And 1 by 7 of a number. 1 by 7 of a number equal to 1 by 7 into x. In x, we have to calculate 1 by 7 part. Okay, 1 by 7 is 1 into x. 1x by 7. 1x by 7. 2 into x. 2x by 5. 2x by 5. What is the question? Exceeds. That means this number exceeds by this one equal to 36. Equal to 36. And the problem. As the problem 2 by 5 of a number 2 by 5 of a number minus 1 by 7 of a number equal to 36. Okay, if you take 2 by 5 of a number and 1 by 5 of a number, exceeds means difference of these two. This one I use the first, that way I use the first. Difference of these two numbers is how much? 36. Now replace the values. 2 by 5 of a number is how much? 2x by 5. 2x by 5 minus 1 by 7 of remember 1x by 7 that is equal to 36. Now cross multiplication only. Cross multiply that one. What is 7 into 2x minus 5 into 1x by 7 into 5 or 5 into 7. 7 into 2x minus 5 into 1x by 7 into 5 that is equal to 36. Now multiply 7 2 is 14x, 7 2 is 14x minus 5 1 is 5x by 7 5 is 35 that is equal to 36. 7 2 is 14x, 7 5 1 is 5x, 7 5 is 35. Now subtract these two. 14 minus 5 how much is 9x. 14 minus 5 9. 9x by 35 equal to 36. Now cross multiply this. Okay, here denominator not yet 1. Just cross multiply. X equal to 36 into 35 divided by 1 into 9. Denominator not yet. That's why I am taking here minus for understanding purpose. Okay. Now cancel this one. 9 1 yes, 9 4 yes. What is the remaining? 4 into 35. Denominator no need to write 1. Okay. Otherwise you can write 1 into 1. By multiplying 4 5 yes. 35 into 4. 4 5 yes 20. 4 3 yes 4. 140 is the answer. 140. 140 is the answer. Okay, this is the one word. Sixth question. Look here, 2 pieces length, 1 rope is there. 2 pieces length 2 3 by 5 meters and 3 by 10 meters are cut off from a rope 11 meters long. Okay, here 1 rope is there. Here 1 rope is there. Okay, from the here to here, what is the length here? 11 meters. What is the length of rope? This is rope. Okay, this is 1 rope. This rope length is 11 meters. This is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. This is divided into 3 parts. This is divided into 3 parts. This total length is 11 meters. This total length is how much? 11 meters. This is divided into 2 parts. 3 parts. Basically 3 parts. Okay, what is the length? 2 pieces of length is how much given? 2 3 by 5. 2 3 by 5 meters. And one of these length is 3 by 10 meters. What is the third piece length we have calculated? Okay, what is the length of remaining rope? Remaining means the third part of length only we have to calculate. Now we will calculate given total length of rope. Total length of rope is how much? 11 meters. Okay. Length of 2 pieces. Length of 2 pieces. Length of 2 pieces means we have to take distance 2 3 by 5 meters, comma 3 by 10. 3 by 10 meters. Okay, length of 2 ropes. Now I want to calculate what is the total length of 2 ropes. Total length length of total length of two rows. Total length of two pieces. This is total length of row. Actual length of row. Actual length of row equal to 11 meters. Then now we will use the total. Total means we may confuse. That's why usually here actual length of the row 11 meters. Total length of two pieces equal to, we have to add this 2 3 by 5 plus 3 3 by 10. 3 3 by 10. Now we have to convert it to the mixed to improper. This is a mixed fraction. Okay, this mixed fraction is converted to the improper fraction. How we can convert? Okay, look here, how we can convert it? Okay, convert 5 to yes. 5 into 2 plus 3 by 5 plus 5 into 2 plus 3 by 5 plus 10 into 3 plus 3 by 10. 5 into 2 plus 3. Multiply these two, add with the numerator. Multiply these two, add with the numerator. 5 2 yes. 5 2 yes 10. 10 plus 3 13. 10 plus 3 by 5 plus 10 30. 5 10 3 is 30. 30 plus 3 by 10. 13 plus 3 by 10. Now we will calculate that one. Calculation. 10 plus 3 30. 13 by 5 plus 30 plus 3 33. 33 by 10. Now we have to take equal the denominator. Equal the denominator. Equal the denominator. Equal the denominator. If you do the cross multiplication, we will get with so much big values. If 5 10, what is the denominator here? 5 10. 5 table. 5 2 is 10. 5 2 is 10. That means we have to multiply 2 by 2 here. It will become 10. Okay, 13 into 2 by 5 into 2 plus 33 by 10. 32 is 26 by 10. 33 by 10. Here denominator should be equal. Okay, 5 table, 10 table. 5 table we have 10. Okay, so we will multiply 5 to yes. 2 by 2 we have to multiply. Numerator and denominator. 32 yes, 26 5 yes 10. Okay, now we add the numerators. Whenever like fractions are given to you, denominators are same means we can add the numerators. 26 by 33 by 10. Now 33 plus 56. 26 how much is? 33 plus 26. How much? 9. 59. 59 by 10. 59 by 10 meters. What is the total length of two rows? 59 by 10 meters. We have to calculate the remaining length. We have to calculate the remaining length. Okay, row of the remaining row length. Remaining row length equal to remaining row length. Remaining row length equal to, okay, actual length minus total length of two pieces. Two pieces length. Two pieces total length of two pieces. Total length of two pieces. Okay, now we will take actual length is 11 meters minus what is the length of two pieces length? 59 by 10. 59 by 10. Now this is the denominator cross multiplication. 11 into 10 minus 59 by 10. 11 into 10. 11 into 10 minus 59 by 10. 11 into 10 how much is? 110. 110 minus 59 by 10. Okay, 110 minus 59 how much is? 110 minus 59. Okay, 9. 1 here 0. Okay, 0 will take all again. This will become 10. 10 minus 5. 51. 51 by 51 by 10 meters. 51 by 10 meters is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. 51 by 10 meters. This is very important question. What is the today homework? We have to do the homework today. What are the homework? Okay, page number 32. Page number 32. Page number 32. Fourth question. Fifth question. Sixth question. What is the area of rectangle? Last question. 11th question. 11th question. Okay, 11th question. What is given here? Just P by Q form is hard to find. 3 6 and so on. Just convert into P by Q form is hard to find. For this is hard to find. 11th question it is P by Q form find after R P value Q value. R P value Q value. Okay, you may get okay, try yourself. These 4 questions are to homework. One more sum. In second Roman. In second Roman. Fourth question. These 5 sums do everybody. 4, 5, 6, 11. Second Roman 4.